Welcome to The Explainer. If you've ever felt that investing is just way too complicated, then this one is definitely for you. Today, we're going to break down a really cool approach that's all about making smart investing something anyone can do.
So let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at the stock market, with all those crazy charts and the jargon, and just felt completely and totally lost? Like you have no idea where to even start?
Yeah, if that sounds familiar, you are so not alone. The whole world of trading can feel super intimidating, right? Almost like it's some kind of exclusive club and you don't have the secret password. And that really gets us to the core of the issue, the investing challenge. That learning curve is just notoriously steep. But what if there was a way to kind of bypass it?
Well, that's where this idea comes in. Copy trading. The whole concept is actually pretty simple. What if you could learn from the very best investors out there, but without having to go through years and years of painful trial and error?
So, what is copy trading exactly? Put simply, it's a feature that lets you automatically, and I mean automatically, replicate the trades of successful investors right inside your own account. And it all happens in real time.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool, right? But how in the world does it actually work? Let's jump in and completely demystify this whole process.
Probably the easiest way to get your head around it is to think of it like putting your portfolio on autopilot. But here's the key difference. An experienced pilot, a successful investor that you get to choose, is the one at the controls.
The whole process is actually really straightforward. Okay, so step 1, you find an investor you like. You can filter them by their past performance, their risk level, what they trade, all that good stuff. Step 2, you decide how much of your own funds you want to use to copy them. And then step 3, and this is where the magic happens. Your account just mirrors theirs. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. And it's all done proportionally. So, if they put, say, 5% of their portfolio into a stock, the system automatically puts 5% of your allocated money into that same exact stock. Simple as that.
All right, so that's the how. But what about the why? Why would you even do this? Let's talk about why this could be a smarter way to invest and break down what the key advantages are for you. It really boils down to 3 main benefits. First, it saves you a ton of time. You're letting proven strategies do all the heavy lifting for you. Second, it's a great way to diversify your investments. You can easily follow a few different investors who all have different approaches. And third, and this is a big one, you get to learn in real time. It's like having a front row seat to see exactly how successful traders think and operate.
But a feature like this doesn't just exist in a vacuum. It's usually part of a much bigger ecosystem. So let's zoom out a bit and look at the full platform experience. It's about more than just copying.
Typically, on these kinds of platforms, you've got 2 main paths you can take. You've got the automated path we've been talking about, copy trading, but you've also got the fully manual, self-directed path, where you are in 100% control, trading thousands of different assets all on your own. And these platforms are usually trying to be an all-in-one solution. You can find your big-name stocks like Apple and Tesla, a whole range of cryptocurrencies, and even ETFs, which are basically just baskets of different investments. Plus, there's usually a social feed, which is pretty cool because you can connect with a whole global community of other investors and share ideas.
So, what's the big takeaway here? What's the bottom line? It's this. Copy trading is a tool. That's it. It's a tool designed to do one thing, to take these complex, expert-level investing strategies and make them accessible to literally everyone, no matter where you're starting from.
Okay, and before we finish up, it's really important we say this. All investing involves risk, and that includes the potential of losing your money. This explainer is just for informational purposes. It is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before you make any investment decisions. And all of that leaves us with one final big question to think about. When you combine these automated tools with real-time learning and a community of people to learn with, could this be the future of how we all learn to invest? Thanks for watching The Explainer.